As promised, around 3 p.m., we have Nimesh who joins in to tell us what is he picking up in D-Street chatter. Nimesh, dealing rooms are buzzing or a lot of people on holiday?
Not really. Seems like the attendance is coming back after 2 days of holidays, Nigel. But as we speak, the mid-cap index has turned into the red, and there is now clear signs of profit booking. So after the gap up, there were indications that maybe you'll see today will be a day of profit booking, and that's exactly playing out. Whether it's large cap, whether it's Nifty Bank, or for that matter, the mid-cap index as well. Even in Nifty Bank, it's off days high, essential on back of profit booking. But within that, at least, there is some sense of buying interest from the domestic funds into private sector bank stocks. Remember, that's one space which is buzzing off late because of a lot of deals and expected deals as well. So that's one space where there is a bit of buying interest for sure. From a flow perspective, I understand there could be some self-figure from the FIs today. So watch out for that number in today's market. And again, the one space which is done well today is in anticipation of the US tariff deal is the export-facing sectors. So pharma, autos, textile, all are buzzing on hope of that deal coming soon. So that's one space which has done well. But broadly, I guess today is a day of some bit of profit booking after the big gap up that we saw in the early morning trade.
Okay, all right, Nimesh. And the good news is that India's picked up the third wicket as well. So 109 for 3 as you went through that chatter. Let's see by the time you end with some of those stocks, whether we get one more in the bag. Tell us, what are the stocks on your radar?
So in terms of individual names, Nigel, the first is a couple of stocks where there is delivery-based buying today. Selling today. Fortis Healthcare as well as Max Financials. Both stocks are going to see delivery-based selling. So watch out for the delivery data by end of the day. So that's for first couple of stocks. Second, where I'm expecting some large blocks coming very soon. FedFina as well as Niva Bupa. Both are expected to see large block deals very soon. One large private equity investor is a common holder there, and they are likely to sell out because the fund is likely to see a closure. So that's the reason why you could expect large blocks there. The third name is GMR Airports. That's been buzzing in trade today. I guess the volumes also picked up. A bit of fresh interest from larger HNIs is what I understand in GMR Airports. And of course, there are some developments as well with regards to the Nagpur Airport and the Delhi Airport. So maybe that's the trigger for GMR Airports. And the last is M&M as well as Tata Motors. Within the auto names, these two stands out in terms of delivery-based buying today. So while both are buzzing in trade, especially for M&M, I understand one leading long only for understand an active buyer, and hence you'll expect delivery buying in both those names today.
Okay, all right, got it. Nimesh, thanks very much for that. So plenty of action and interesting buzzers as always on Nimesh's list. With that,